friends, Gator Mom here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day. Today we're going to be taking a look at this small tote from Longchamp and seeing what fits inside. Alright, so years ago, and when I say years, I mean 10 easily plus years ago, I had a Longchamp bag in the medium size with the longer drop length tote strap, and I loved that bag. But since then, I've never really owned anything from them, and I've always been curious about this small size especially, and kind of what fits inside, because I think it is so darling with like the little kind of carry handle here at the top of the bag. I've already ordered the large size as soon as I got this in the mail because I wanted to see how that one compared to this one. So I'm kind of diving down into like the rabbit hole of Longchamp bags. So you'll probably be seeing those a little bit more frequently here on my channel because I was very impressed when I opened up this one. The nylon material is very thick and strong, and I actually think this small tote is going to hold more than you think it would. One of the things that's really cool about these bags is you can easily fold them up and make them really small so that you can store them pretty easily. Kind of show you how this one goes here. So when you're not using it, it actually snaps closed into this cute little like compact folded situation, which makes it really great for travel too. If you need like an extra bag to travel, or if you're just traveling with a carry-on and you want to put like a tote inside to use whenever you get to your destination, this is a really great bag to do that with also. So on the back here, you do have Longchamp kind of embroidered in the leather here. And the bag itself, when you open it up, you do have a couple of pockets inside. I believe there was 2 when I looked at it myself. But there's not a lot to it. It's like a big open tote, and I love that about that. A lot of the reviews that I've seen online use organizers on the inside to kind of give it structure. I'm not sure if I'm gonna wanna do that or not. I haven't packed it up and kind of tried it, but this here is what the inside looks like, all kind of open. And you have one pocket here, and then you have another small pocket over here just for small things like your keys or a pen, or like small things you don't want to really root around on the inside of this bag. I think better than an organizer, just from like first impressions, is packing these type of bags with pouches. That's kind of my preferred way to pack, just so it kind of organizes really well. But we're gonna pack this one up and see what fits inside and see how I'm going to carry it. Before I do that though, I do want to just kind of try it on for you briefly so that you can see what it looks like on the body. This one here, obviously there's one and only way that you can carry it. There's no additional crossbody or messenger strap. There's no tote strap. You just have the small handle here at the top, which I think is fine because it's just a small, cute little like summer tote. I don't think you need to have a lot. This one's not going to hold a ton of stuff, but I think that the top handle is just enough. I think that it's really, really cute like this. Also, just like all of my review and packing videos, I will have a link down below to this bag as well as everything packed inside, which is on my What's in My Bag blog post over on the blog. It lives there always. I kind of update it weekly with different things that I buy, but in that post, you'll see my favorite wallets and pouches and anything that's packed inside my bag, little gadgets or what have you. It's all gonna be linked there. So if you see something packed inside that you're curious for a link for, the odds are you'll probably find it there. All right, let's go ahead and set this camera down and pack this bag up. All right, here we are all packed up. I even zipped the top of the bag so that you guys can see what it looks like unzipped. I do not zip any of my bags. 9 times out of 10, if you ever see me out, I don't have any of my bags zipped. And this one is no exception. This one I definitely just leave unzipped because it has this kind of leather flap that goes over the top of it. So if I'm just kind of carrying it on my arm, I can have it unzipped, grab what I need out of it, and then I just kind of leave that over the top of it. So anyways, right here attached to the leather handle, I just have a hair clip. I just kind of threw that on there because I've been using it. And then when you open the bag up, this here is what it looks like. I love these 2 pockets so much because I can see how this style bag, you can kind of get small things lost inside of it. Maybe not one that's this small, but the medium size or the large size for sure. and having these two little pockets at the top to just put like little small things in that you grab for like a ton, it makes the difference to me for sure. So I'll go ahead and pull everything out of those first. This pocket here is a little bit shorter than this one back here. So as you can see, this one goes the whole, not the whole length, but definitely longer across the back. It's like a bigger pocket, whereas this one's just kind of cute and compact. I have a hand sanitizer down in there. This one I actually ran out of. I had a Bath & Body Works hand sanitizer I ran out of all my Touchland ones, and this is another one that I grabbed off of Amazon that you can actually refill, which is really cool. And I like this scent a lot. It's like a lavender scent. So I have that in there, and look how small and compact. You can like put it in a wallet practically. I love it. Then I have a little travel perfume, a Merit lipstick, eye drops, and then a lip gloss down in there. So all that kind of fit in that pocket right there. Then over here in this back pocket, I just have a granola bar. It's a Kind bar. I also have a little thing of stickies, sticky notes, hand cream that I've been obsessed with. I still really like that one. A nail file, a lip liner, and a pen. So that's everything I had inside these two pockets here. Then I organized the rest of the bag with these cubes off of Amazon that I really like. This is the mini size. I'll have them linked so that you can find them easily. I also have my glasses tucked down here in the front. And when you put things in these pockets, they kind of make a little cavity almost underneath of them. So like, don't forget about that space. But underneath, I just stuck my glasses horizontally in there. And then back here, it does kind of the same, if you can see like that. And I have my pill case that I just threw down in there. I could have easily put this in one of the cubes if I wanted to, but I like to have it handy. So I have my pill case tucked down in that back pocket, or not pocket, just back of that little crevice. And then I also have my wallet down in here. This is a small Ondar Denner wallet, and I just have my cards in here. I have cash in the middle, my ID, and all of my keys kind of attached to that. So I had that in there as well. I also have my Kindle. I could easily fit a book in here, or even a small planner, I think. This small size fits way more than you think it would, but I have my Kindle in here and my Kindle case. And then the only thing left are these two cubes that fit perfectly down inside. Inside this cube, I have all of like my tech stuff. So I have more sticky notes. I also have my AirPods in there. I have my memory card case, my external drive, my charger, all that kind of stuff down in this pink one. And then inside this white one here, I just have a bunch of beauty stuff. I have makeup, scrunchies, Band-Aids, what else? Cuticle cream, face cream. I have one of these face kind of sprays, body spray. I also have these teeth pickers, cuticle cream. I don't know if I already said that. So all of that just fits really well down inside this little cube. All right, that is everything that I have packed inside here. I cannot remember if in the beginning of this video I showed, I think I did at the very beginning, but I showed how it would fold up really easily. I'll kind of do that again now that it's all empty and show you all how cute and compact it can fold into itself for travel and all of that. And it's just really, really easy to do. Just kind of folds like that, snaps closed, and there you go. All right, I think that does it for today's video. I sure hope it was helpful for those of you that were interested in this small tote from Longchamp. Like I mentioned earlier, I have other totes from them already on the way, so kind of keep a lookout for more from this brand if you're interested. I will have this bag as well as my blog post linked down below so that you can see everything that was packed inside as far as links and all of that. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave those down below as well. I'm always happy to help. Until next time, I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye.